Dennis back with you from Keller Williams on the Water, KW Commercial, coming to you from the Anna Maria Island on the west coast of Florida, just south of Tampa and north of Sarasota. Beautiful day, Saturday, mid-April. Excuse me, tomorrow is Palm Sunday. 85 degrees, water temperature 75, nice comfortable breeze. You don't roast out here. Excuse me. Hey, just checking in with you, see if you might want to move your family and your business down to the west coast of Florida, where you could enjoy a beach day or a boating day or a golf day in mid-April. Give me a call. Let me know how I can help you out with your residential and commercial real estate. Steve Dennis, KW on the Water, 941-224-6611. Have a great day. Happy Easter. Happy Resurrection Sunday.